So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito yung bahay ko. I mean my new house. At sorry my voice is something happened. I have a cough. Anyways guys, this house is my floating pink house. I have a 4 dogs here guys. Sorry but my voice is still hurt. Ah, kasi because I'm always drink milk tea and cold water. And somehow I'm always sweating because because it's so hot in my country, the Philippines. So that's so I am I'm alone at my house. Actually, guys, I can get out my house. Okay, guys. Hey yo, it's a beautiful place. Hi guys, good evening. So I can see your smile. I can see you. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yay! And follow me on TikTok and my Instagram guys and my Discord too. And of course I have a Reddit. So follow me too there guys. Yay! God gave me you to show me what's real. I'm all alone in my Minecraft world guys. I don't have a account. It's so hard to make it, guys. Talalayo, talala. Kikiyami, kikiyami. Sana'y naririnig mo. Oh, oh my god, the sun is so beautiful, guys. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's the night is coming. Oh my gosh, zombies. I didn't see anything. Okay. Let's go to sleep, guys. Okay, oops. So let's go to sleep. Hmm? Okay, my phone is something crazy, guys. Hello, Creeper. So this is my place. Um, so guys, pakainin ko muna yung mga aso ko mga apat. Let's go downstairs, guys. I'm gonna feed my pets. Let's see my farm. Oh, I played the game. Hello, my fellow doggy. You're so cute. You want some meat, guys? Okay, give it to you. Okay, there you go. One for you. Oh, oh, one for you. I mean two for you. One for you. One for you. And of course to you. Sugar. This is my double dog there, okay? Okay. Just stay there here, guys. Oops. See you later, guys. Oh, I'm gonna close this. Let's see. So guys, let's go outside. Sorry my voice. I woke up. There are monsters nearby, guys. I can get out. So that's it for now, guys. Bye. Bye bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. See you all. Love you all.